Art journals are a great place to practice techniques. And by keeping these journals, you have created a resource for yourself that you can go back to and refer to when looking for inspiration. Hi, I'm Daniela Mellen, an author and artist. I put up new videos each week. In today's video, we'll make a painted art journal page as a starting point for adding additional artwork later. We'll get rid of the white page and add an interesting background using matte acrylic paint and stencils. It's a great background technique that can be used outside the art journal as well, on canvas, paintings, or even digital artwork. To start, I find a journal page that I like. Here I'm choosing one that already has color on it, using leftover paint that I use to clean my stencils. It's a page with color, but nothing more. From here, I start to add stripes using a wide brush and 3 colors that I've selected: a mauve, a coral, and a buttery yellow. I don't want the stripes to go up the length of the page, but to kind of fade out, so I just let them trail off. Now I could choose any colors, but I wanted to add some lightness to the page, and that's why I selected these. After the stripes are done, I'll let it dry, and then it's ready to add the next layer. I choose 2 stencils, one with smaller openings to create small shapes, and one with medium-shaped openings. And I'll start with the larger of the 2 shapes, and then select a color from the background page. In this case, I'm going to use green. I'll overlap the area of the stripes that are the heaviest, which is the bottom of the page. I pounce paint on the stencil using a makeup sponge and continue until the bottom is 1/3 to 1/2 covered. And then I'll let this layer dry when I'm really happy with it. Next, I come back and add the small stencil, using white paint for contrast, and I create some interest in the same way I did in the previous step, just pouncing that paint through the stencil. While I'm here, I decide to add a bit to the top of the page as well, just to balance it out. I don't normally do this step, but I was kind of feeling it, so I went with it. I let this dry, and now I have my finished background page. Now I can leave it as it is, add some sketches, some collage, enhance the shapes that the stencils created, or add other media. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I really do like this page, and I love this technique. Here's another variation. This time I used straight lines all the way up the page. I didn't let them trail off. And since I used different, brighter colors, it sets a different mood. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.